Here I have TCL 30, and today I'm going to show you how to change system navigation method from 3 buttons to gesture navigation. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, and then no, not system section, unfortunately, buttons and gestures. You have the special section for this feature here. Go to the system navigation and select gesture navigation. You can also hide gesture guide bar, and yeah, that's how it's done. Now we don't have these buttons anymore. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.